Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning your iPhone into the remote, fast. First, make sure your iPhone and Apple TV are on the same Wi-Fi and updated. This avoids pairing errors. Once done, open Control Center and tap the Apple TV remote tile. If it's missing, add it in Settings Control Center. When the Apple TV asks, enter the code shown on screen into your iPhone to pair. This step authenticates the devices so commands register immediately and securely. Now you'll control content. Swipe on the remote touch area to navigate menus and tap to select. That tactile swipe maps to the Apple TV focus so you stay precise. Use the play/pause and menu buttons for basic playback and back navigation. Press and hold the menu to go home or hold the Siri button to speak commands. For typing, iPhone's keyboard appears automatically. Use it to enter passwords and search terms much faster than the on-screen keyboard. Finish by using advanced features and one troubleshooting tip. If your HDMI CEC setup allows, the iPhone volume buttons control your TV volume directly. Make sure HDMI CEC is enabled on the TV. If the remote stops responding, force Close Control Center, reopen the remote, and try again. If problems persist, restart both Apple TV and iPhone or toggle Wi-Fi to re-establish networking. This sequence clears most pairing hiccups and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.